What's up? YouTube! Oh, man. It's Sunday and there's nothing to do. Wow. Ugh. I didn't know they changed the time. You know, why does anyone tell me these things? I don't know. It's weird being on the iPhone again and like putting descriptions. So it's just a regular thing. I don't know. This not be that long a video. Because usually I do my other, my old phone for my videos. I think I'm going to start doing that again. So. Oh, I got a drip. I got a drip. I got a drip. I really screwed up these coils though, putting them in. I really did. Kind of sucks, but you know, whatever. I don't know, I guess dripping's fun. I guess. But, whatever. Eh. It's all good. I don't know, nothing really great going on. Doing the same old thing. Different day. Sunday. Sunday, Sunday, Sunday. I don't know. What are you guys doing? No one really gives me comments. Guys want to know what's going on, just give me a comment and I'll, you know, give it back to you. I don't know, people need to start not saying it, you have to, but, you know, start liking my videos. I see people doing views all the time, a whole bunch of views, but no one, you know. I don't know if you like my videos or not. You gotta tell me what to do. You know, I gotta do something different because it's almost going on 3 years now. Or 3.5, I can't remember. I've done so many videos. It's like crazy. I don't know, sometimes I don't like doing videos and sometimes I do. Sometimes I just I don't know. It depends on me. Depends on my mood if I want to do a video or not. Just depends. I know some people are like that. It's kind of crazy. I don't know, there's a lot of videos I watch. I don't know, people. Some people in this house don't like me watching videos, but it's the only thing to pass the time. I just watched CC's video this morning. I watched, what the hell's his name? Bald guy on YouTube who does vape videos. Oh, I can't remember his name. I just saw another one too. I watch so many videos. I have so many people on my you know, people I like to watch besides me. I don't know, sometimes I watch my old videos and I'm like, man, these are pretty good. It's like, what could I improve on? You know. This thing, I'm sick of it. I need to redo my coils. fuck? Shut up! Damn dog.
You can come with me, I don't care.
You have to bark like that. Asshole. Get in there and shut up. Ugh. Sorry, guys. My screen's kind of dirty. Ugh. There we go. You know when you're doing a video with the things on top and you're trying to look at yourself and yeah. Fucking I don't know. I like vaping and shit. I like nicotine, but I'm really getting tired of it. It's like boring to me. It's like I know I need it, but I don't need it that bad. I'll wake up vape. I've been dipping a lot, so. I've been dipping. Pisses me off. This thing, little bitch. It's almost dead too, so it doesn't really matter. I don't know, it was a nice clear day yesterday, then they started fucking shooting their shit out of their damn jets. Damn chemtrails. It was a nice clear day. It's like, when you know there's gonna be a storm, they'll chemtrail the shit out of the sky. Really sucks, but I can't do nothing about it. I really can't. I don't know, it was cooler earlier yesterday, but it's cooler today. I don't know, Florida's kind of like Colorado, it's bipolar. It doesn't know what the fuck it wants to do. It'll be fucking hotter than hell one day, then it'll be fucking, you need a hoodie and pants the next. I don't know, it really doesn't get that cold, because, you know, I got used to having it 30 degrees and 25 in Colorado, so it's not that cold. Everyone's like, oh, it's freezing to death. What's funny is 80-degree weather, 75 to 80-degree weather, everyone will be wearing jackets and scarves and shit. Or not scarves, but like jackets and hoodies when it's really warm. But when it's really cold, you'll see everybody wearing shorts and a t-shirt. I'm like, what the hell's the logic in that shit? Seriously, it's funny. People are nutty. I don't know, if you guys want me to do flat earth shit, just hit me up. You know, dip videos or whatever. I don't, you know, I'm not that equipped to get, like, you know, a whole bunch of mods and a whole bunch of this and a whole bunch of that. You know, it's just fucking hard. It's really hard. It's hard. I don't know, I'm thinking about doing some hemp videos. Something different. Because I know hemp's legal now. Maybe I'll just start doing hemp videos. I don't know, just do something different. You know, instead of doing the vape and the dip. Oh, maybe I'll do electronic videos. I don't know. I'll figure it out. But I'm going to say keep on snoozing, keep on vaping, keep on dipping. No cigarettes. Peace.